Shriram Ambulance, leading provider of ICU ventilator services in Haridwar. 24/7 ICU ventilator service ready. Emergency ICU ambulances available anytime. Quick response for critical care. State-of-the-art ventilator ambulances in Haridwar. Dependable ICU transport for emergencies. Expert medical staff on board. Haridwar's top ambulance service provider. Swift and secure patient transport. Please like, share and subscribe Shriram Ambulance YouTube channel.